Yes. Okay, really quick before we get started, I just want to address my brows. They are really dark right now. I actually got my brows microbladed literally 3 days ago. Shout out to Beauty Marks by Cece, and they're in the healing process. So here I am with my super bold brows. Just don't mind them, okay? I did vlog the whole experience, and also I have gone into vlogging in the past month, and I've been vlogging a lot, so make sure to go check out the vlog channel. Today, as this video is going up, it is an important day, a very special day, a celebration. Today we are launching our celebration bucket. Target finally picked up the buckets, and I'm so excited. From the very beginning that we started Craft City, I've always wanted to have bigger slime, and to finally have a bigger batch, like my big batches, I'm like, oh yes, I've been wanting the big batches for so long. So this is Karina's DIY celebration slime, and what's so fun about this is that it's actually a DIY clay slime. This is over 2 pounds of slime in these buckets. Run to Target or get them online, or click the link in the description box below. Go get your buckets, and make sure to tag me on Instagram if you do. Let me show you guys what's inside. Celebration bucket. So we have some pink clay, confetti beads, and we have our slime in here. A fun fact, we're always having giveaways on Craft City Life on Instagram, so make sure to follow us because we're literally having giveaways all the time, and you might just win a celebration bucket and a bunch of other products, okay? So follow us on there for any updates in general. So I thought about this, and we were like, okay, we're doing jumbo slime with jumbo add-ins today to celebrate buckets of slime. Ooh, girl, I can't even close her up. I'm just way too excited to finally have the buckets that I've been wanting for years. For this video, Craft City made me my very own personal life-size gigantic bucket. This bucket was made especially for me as my own extra big bucket. This is literally a replica of the ones in stores, but just like life-size. Oh my god, this is literally me as a bucket. We have the ones in stores, of course. We have the giant one, just something made huge for this big celebration. And this tiny one right here is the size of our actual pucks that we have. So we're going from something this small to this. So this is why I'm so excited. Love that. Let's just really appreciate this bucket though. Like, they really made me like a life-size version just to have. Like, this is so iconic. I literally am gonna put this somewhere in my room, like, I don't know. And without further ado, let's get into these jumbo slimes. This is obviously gonna be one of those big ones we're gonna make, but let's get into some other fun ones I thought of. Today I decided that I wanna make a jumbo cereal slime, which would be a thick and glossy, and I also wanna make a jumbo slushy slime. Basically the little square slushy ones, not the round slushy, the square one that is technically called sugar beads in the slime community. We got some fun add-ins for both of these. So let's go ahead and go into the slime room and make some slime. Okay, y'all, let's make some slime. We're trying to like adjust lighting in this room. This room's lighting is so awkward. When we were fixing the lighting right now, I was like, oh my gosh, like, is it the lighting? Is it my brows? Is it my foundation? I'm gonna make my slime in the giant mixers because they're bigger batches, and big batches we typically make them in the cake mixers. Let's do it. In here we poured different types of glue. We poured glue all, which is obviously the thicker type, and we put some Amazon glue in here because Amazon glue is a thick base, a really nice thick but very glossy, but school glue thick, if that makes sense. We poured about 3/4 of a gallon of clear. I'm gonna go ahead and add some Fruity Pebbles scent because I want to make a cereal slime. Baby oil. Now we have to lift this up. Ugh. All right, now just gonna turn this on and get it mixing. We're not gonna add a color to this because I want a cereal one, kind of like Trix, but jumbo. Perfect, super stretchy, super thick. Now on to making the cereal. Okay guys, so we have this clear batch here. Clear batches, we actually typically make them way in advance. So this is one that has been sitting for about a week, but it was really thick, so there's still a lot of air bubbles. But this is what we're gonna use for our next one. As you can see, it's not fully cleared, but that's okay because when you're mixing in beads anyway, it'll get super cloudy and we'll just have to let it sit before we show you guys the final product. All right, we're back in the film room. We got our base. I have not made slime in the mixer in a minute, and that was so satisfying to just make a big old batch in there. Now we're gonna get into the beads. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and paint these balls. These are actually the floral type of styrofoam that has like the rough edges and stuff. So these are the ones we're gonna be using to make the giant beads. We got different sizes just to see what looks better, but I'm kind of living for these big ones. But we did go ahead and paint some on the side. Please, please, please be aware that when you're doing this, make sure it's sitting up like this and not doing this, because this is really dangerous. You do not want to poke yourself with a skewer. We're gonna put 4 on here and we're gonna stick these on here. And then you go ahead and go paint them. I'm gonna make different colors. We have different paint. So we have yellow, purple, we have green, we have orange, we have red, and we have blue. Then you let them sit to dry and you're good. Here are our finished balls. They look so good. Super, super vibrant in color. They feel a little bit hard, which is so satisfying because I kind of want to like crush them, but we got all types of primary colors, and we also have some white in there just to replicate, you know, like actual like rainbow styrofoam beads. Here is a comparison of regular styrofoam beads, regular sized ones compared to the jumbo ones that we customized. So big difference. I really like the bigger ones. I might just like pick those out. I don't know why I'm being so precise about this, like it doesn't even matter, but just want to make sure to get all the colors in there, you know. Obviously, you could probably go bigger with like other objects, something like crazy like this, but I want to be able to actually play with this. Guys, look at this. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah. I kind of feel like this looks more like cereal than the actual beads you usually use for slime, because actual cereal balls, like they have that like rigidity, like that texture.
Grainy look.
Yeah. I definitely like that crunch. This is why I only wanted to add 1 layer, because they're already so big. It would just be way too much just adding more than that. I think they're gonna look so pretty when they rise. So let's see how it looks after it rises. Okay, so this sat for a couple days. They rose to the top perfectly, and I think it looks so good. So let's see. Let's just play with it. Next up, we have a jumbo snow cone. So this is inspired by the sugar scrub slime. We have two different sizes. We have these right here. I've seen these in slime like one at a time before. Maybe like an iced tea slime, they'll throw one in there. But I thought, what if we made this like super crunchy? So I got this size right here that is basically the size of an actual ice cube. Compared to the regular size, those are super tiny. We also got another size, which I think is gonna be really nice to play with. These right here, compared to these are obviously still much bigger than the other ones that you would use for slime. I think this right here is really cool for jumbo, but I do feel like these are gonna sound really nice. I'm gonna divide this into 3 different colors, and this, like I mentioned, is a pre-made batch that Raul had been sitting. So I'm gonna color this one yellow. It's not super clear right now, but it's all good. Whenever I mix anything into clear slime, I like to just fold it on top of each other, on top of itself. Because if I just go in there and start popping bubbles and start going crazy, trying to mix it in, you get like a lot of bubbles. And kind of doing this, like you're like massaging it, it really spreads the color out. Look how pretty. I'm gonna put in the small ones first. How the heck are these packed? Like, for real. They're literally stuck. I can't get them out. Oh, that looks like candy. I'm gonna put this over here. It looks so good. Okay, it'll all blend beautifully. Wow, these colors look so good together. So we're gonna go ahead and let this sit for a bit, let it do the ombre, let it sit, get the bubbles out, and it really looks so good, but I can't wait to see what it's gonna look like. I love how the colors kind of like blended together and did an ombre effect, and the bubbles on top. Oh my gosh, let's just get straight to it. Whoa. Flipped over, it looks so pretty. Oh gosh. Okay, last but definitely not least, we're taking on this monster right here. Extra giant bucket. This is 20 buckets worth right here. The exact same product in here, except it's huge. huge. So we have the giant one, and of course we have the regular one, but I just want to show you guys how it is the same ingredients. The clay, of course, this is like the one that comes with. This is 20 times bigger. Same with the beads, same manufacturer, everything, just 20 times bigger. Same with the slime, same slime, except this is 2 pounds and this over here is 40 pounds. All right, let's get to it. What I think I'm gonna have to do is actually put the clay out here and then start adding to the clay, because if I just dump all this right now, like, I gotta mix quick. It's a lot. And we got foam beads, lots of foam beads. I'm actually gonna go ahead and start mixing slime into this. I love how you could poke it on the, like, onto the actual clay. Let's pour the bucket. Oh, 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 ah, ah, ah. Oh my gosh, that's so satisfying to me. Oh my god. Yes. Oh my god, this is everything. You guys, this is so big. Thank you to the Craft City team if you guys are watching this right now. The fact that they customized this giant personal bucket for me, it's just everything. Feels so soft. I can feel the clay in there. It's a very fluffy texture.
I like how it feels.
Bam. Fluffy girl. Okay, so I kind of want to poke this one just because this one actually sat without the lid and it sounds really crunchy. You guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys are excited to get your hands on some buckets. Make sure to tag Craft City Life and myself at Karina Garcia, except there's a 1 instead of an I. Tag us so that we can repost you guys. I'm so excited for you guys to get your hands on these, and I'm so excited to finally have these out in stores. If you could make any slime gigantic life size, which one would it be? If you guys want to get your hands on the celebration bucket, make sure to run to Target or click the link in the description box to purchase it down below. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.